Hold on, I see him. Sorry, Roxie. Blue. Thank you. Come on, Blue. There you go. Stop. Thank you. They're friendly, sorry. Hold on, Rox. Let them go by. Hold on. Blue, you still coming with me or not? Yeah. Dad's taking me to Loud Water. I'm done. Come on, Blue. Come on, Rox. Did they drop any? Come on, Blue. Was that scary? Oh my God. Oh, hold on, Rox. Ready, Blue? Don't fall down. Roxie, no thank you. See how I went further to the right on my path? Insert anime. Hold on, Rox. Insert anime music. Ouch. You good, Rox? What do you think, Blue? Ready? You good, Roxie? Thank you, Blue. Thank you, Roxie. Ready? You want to help me, Blue? Good girl. Oh, I'll get that. Hold on, Rox. Let him potty. Ready? Good girl. I got you. Wow. Ready? Go ahead. Up. Blue, go ahead. Roxie. Good girl. Oh my God, that was so scary, Dad. You guys good? Roxie, leave it alone, please. Come on. What's that? Roxie. I don't know what that orange is. Come on, Rox. Good job, Blue. Sorry, I stepped on your leash. Woo-wee, that was loud. What do you think, Rox? Oh, slow down. Hold on, hold on. Okay, so now that we're getting up here, what do you think, Rox? Roxie, are you mad at me? Roxie, are you mad at me? Yeah. You want to go to the water? Blue, come here. You want to go? Let's go get some water. Is it wet? Where'd you go? All right, now I gotta wipe off my phone. I'm not crossing the tree to get across back up that way. You good? That's freezing cold water, child. I get to knock that down. That does not belong there. Hold on, Blue. My turn.